Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. We head through the afternoon. We're dealing with the coldest air of the season so far. Light snow this afternoon, a few flurries this evening, another round tonight and Saturday. Accumulations about 1 to 2 inches possible. Now dry, even a little bit of sunshine on Sunday. As far as snow on the ground and snow depth, we are looking good if you want to get out there, do some sledding this weekend or some skiing. We have just about as much here as Mid-Michigan has, the Upper Peninsula, as much as 18 inches on the ground reported in Sault Ste. Marie. Our futurecast shows some light snow as we go through the afternoon hours and into the evening. Another batch of snow, a little bit more moderate, comes in late tonight, more toward the morning on Saturday, lingering into Saturday afternoon. Again, bringing totals up to about 1 to 2 inches. Temperatures today, we're going to stay chilly. We're going to remain in the 20s below freezing and 20s for overnight lows. Plenty of cloud cover tonight and also that light snow. High of 32 degrees on Saturday, so we reach the freezing mark Saturday and again on Monday. In between on Sunday, a high of 29. Some even colder air arrives next week. Our temperatures only in the mid-20s on Wednesday and Thursday. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. Hope you have a great day.